Reactions on the internet, meanwhile, were in nearly praise of the calm-down singer. This came after she opened up about her inner truth in an interview with Vanity Fair. "I haven't ever said this, but I unfortunately can't carry my own children," she said. "I have a lot of medical issues that would put my life and the babies in jeopardy. That was something I had to grieve for a while." Coming to her medical conditions, Selena faced lupus in 2013 and afterward had a transplant of kidney in 2017. 3 years later, bipolar disorder was diagnosed in the actress, whose medication, she said, could affect her chances of having a baby.
Like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.